Come with me on this healing nature walk. Today I am healing my body. I am healthy and I am healed. The sun shines brightly upon me, and I feel the warmth. Nature is healing and beautiful for my soul. Right here, right now, I take good care of my body, which is my temple. This new day supports me in my wonderful life. Now is the time to flourish. Today is the beginning of a new adventure, and I'm so excited. Numerous and amazing things are on their way to me. Everything comes to me at the perfect time. I am healed, mind, body, and spirit. I am divinely protected. I let go and release all that is not good for my well-being. I know that taking care of myself is vital. I feel peace and joy. I am always divinely protected. I release and let go of all that is not good for my life is beautiful in every single way. I know that taking care of myself is vital. I know that the best is yet to come. I feel so much love and healing. My life is beautiful in my heart. In every way, I am loved.